It's Krista back again with JVology Live, introducing you to a new, very important partner, Dr. Z. How's everything in your world today?
Very good. Happy to be here.
Fantastic. Well, we're thrilled that you'll be joining us for your first JVology Live. Tell our audience about what you do, please.
So, I run the Functional Medicine Academy. I'm the main instructor, and I help new practitioners to the functional medicine space or wanting a telemedicine practice, often physicians, nurses, nutritionists that want to do something different. But they're thrown into this realm of being an entrepreneur and they don't know how to run a business. There's also a lot of new information, so they want to feel confident in their patient recommendations. So we do clinical consults also. So everything wrapped into one.
That's fantastic. I'd imagine you're finding a lot of people in this medical field that are wanting to transition into more of an online practice and then recognizing that it's not as easy as they thought. There's more components to it than they realized.
Yes, absolutely. I have emergency room doctors and nurse practitioners and chiropractors, um, pediatricians, pharmacists, everyone in between. And a lot of them have either been employed, so this is a whole new realm for them, or they ran a business, but chiropractic, acupuncture, physical therapy, even a private medical office really is completely different than functional medicine. So, and especially this introduction to the telemedicine world. So, how to have a very successful 6, 7 figure business and have a life. That's what I help guide them through.
Yeah, isn't that the key is having a business that amplifies your life and doesn't take over your life?
Yes,
So
I mean, and you will be busy building it. There's no doubt. But I find a lot of people go down the wrong direction. They waste a lot of time or money on things they don't need. They're not ready for it yet, and they don't know how to quickly build a patient base and be earning multiple 6 figures really within months, which is highly possible. And instead, they spend a lot of time building a podcast, but they don't have any patients yet. So
right. Put in the
sometimes,
wrong order of
exactly.
yes. Our last question for you, Dr. Z. What has intrigued you about joint ventures and what are you hoping to gain out of being here?
I had a completely different business before. I was coaching people in all sorts of practices, not just health. And I used a lot of GAVs then. So it was a good experience. But I've been a clinician and an instructor for years. So this is my first time jumping back into it. So I understand the purpose and how you can work together and grow together. So last time I did a JV thing, it was a contest for a book launch, and I took the top 5 winners to Tuscany for 10 days. So I know being a JV can be a lot of fun.
Awesome. Good. Well, we're so glad that you're here. Welcome to JVology. And